Good morning, my dear students. I'm your social teacher of Class 4. I want to appreciate some students, those who are doing their homework good. Still, some students are not completing the given homework. So, kindly try to finish the homework. Students, now we are in Unit 2, Lesson 4, the Northern Mountains and the Northern Plains. In previous homework video, we completed Part A, fill in the blanks, Part B, choose the correct answer, and Part C, answer the following in brief. That is in page number 29. Now, we can move to Part D, that is, answer the following in detail. Students, just take a screenshot and start to continue in your classwork note. See the first question. Where is terrace farming practiced in the Himalayas and why? We have 3 points in this question. The first point is the hill slopes in the middle Himalayas or Himachal are used for practicing terrace farming. The mountains here are not as high and the temperatures are not as low as in the Himadri range. Thus, cultivation is possible in these ranges. Third point is fruit orchards and tea plantation are present in this region. See the second question. Differentiate between the Greater Himalayas and the Middle Himalayas. You have to divide the page into 2 in your classwork note. Here we have 5 points. After completing the first point on both sides, you have to draw one line. Then start the new point in new line. The first point, the Greater Himalayas or Himadri is the northernmost and the highest range of the Himalayas. The Middle Himalayas side, the Middle Himalayas lies between the Himadri and the Shivalik ranges. Draw one line, then move to second point. The peaks are permanently covered with the snow. The mountain slopes are covered with dense forest. Draw one line, then move to third point in new line. Nanda Devi and Nanga Parbat are the famous peaks of this range. Kullu Valley and Spiti Valley are the famous mountain passes. Fourth point, cultivation is not possible at such a height. Cultivation is possible, for example, fruit orchards, tea plantation. Fifth point, this area is not fit for human settlement. This area is well populated. Third question, what is the terai? What are the crops grown in this region? The range marks the end of mountains and the beginning of plains. In between them lies the terai, which is a dense marshy land. The second point is crops like rice, wheat and sugarcane are mainly cultivated here. Fourth question, state 5 reasons why Himalayas are important for us. It forms a natural boundary between India and neighbours like China. Second point, it protects our country from the cold winds of the north. It protects the rain-bearing winds from leaving the country. This results in heavy rainfall in India. Fourth point, the melting snow of the Himalayas gives rise to some of the major rivers like the Ganga and the Yamuna. These rivers are called perennial rivers because they have water throughout the year. Fifth point, Many valuable products like timber, resin, medicines, etc. are obtained from the forest in this mountain range. Fifth question. What is the delta? Describe the Ganga Brahmaputra Delta. A triangular land where a river splits into smaller rivers before entering the sea. The river Brahmaputra, the Ganga, forms the world's largest delta known as Ganga Brahmaputra Delta. The river splits into many smaller rivers before entering the Bay of Bengal. At its mouth lies the dense Sunderban forest, which is the natural habitat of the famous Royal Bengal Tiger. Sixth question. Why are the northern plains one of the most well-populated regions of India? The northern plains stretch from the Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. These areas are watered by the Himalayan rivers. The Ganga, the Satluj and the Brahmaputra form the three important rivers basins. The rivers make the plains very fertile. Many people live in the northern plains region. Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam and Tripura are located in this region. The National Capital Territory of Delhi lies in this region. So, the northern plains are one of the most well-populated region of India. Students, we completed lesson 4 question and answers. We can start the new lesson homework in the next video. Write the homework neatly and send it to edstar.4@gmail.com. Thank you children. Have a good day.